Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to reset the maintenance light on Infiniti QX60. Start with the vehicle parked, ignition off, and odometer display visible. Turn the ignition to accessory mode without starting the engine. Use the trip reset button to cycle to the odometer reading. Press and hold the trip reset, then turn the ignition to on and hold until the maintenance message clears. Release the button and verify the light is off before driving. Warm up the process by checking tire pressure and oil level before resetting the maintenance light. Locate the trip reset button on the dash or steering column stalk. Its position varies by model. If your QX60 has a digital menu, use the controls to navigate to maintenance or settings. When holding the reset button, watch the display for countdown or maintenance indicator blinks. If the light stays on, repeat the procedure once more and double-check vehicle service needs. Common causes for a persistent maintenance light include low oil, pending service, or a sensor fault. If the light returns immediately, confirm oil level, filter condition, and recorded service history. Disconnecting the battery can reset codes temporarily, but may erase radio presets and settings. Use an OBDROMAN2 scanner to read stored codes for a precise diagnosis before replacing parts. When in doubt, have a certified Infiniti technician inspect the vehicle to ensure safety and warranty compliance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.